Hello everyone. In research, whenever we are collecting the data and we are going to analyze with help of the different kind of the variables, we need to understand the frequency distributions during the analysis of the data. So what is the frequency distribution? This is very important points. We need to understand basic concepts. Frequency distribution is a series when a number of observations with a similar or closely related values are put in separate bunches or groups, and each group being in order of magnitude in a series. This is known as the frequency distributions. So in frequency distributions, whenever we are going to construct, so the three main reasons we need to understand. So frequency distribution facilitate the analysis of data, and frequency distribution estimate frequencies of the unknown population distribution from the distribution of sample data, and frequency distribution facilitate the computation of various statistical measures. So these 3 points, for these 3 points, frequency distribution helps during data analysis. Now, there are two types of the frequency distributions we need to understand, which is known as the discrete frequency distribution or ungrouped frequency distribution, and second one is known as the continuous frequency distribution, or we can say grouped frequency distributions. There are two types we need to understand. So discrete or ungrouped frequency distribution with we can understand with help of the these tables. Like see the table, these tables. So here number of children is given 0 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, and telemass is given. That means there are the mothers, and mothers how what is the uh, parity of mothers is given in terms of the children or birth order. We can say birth order. So zero parity mothers there are 3, and one parity is 7, two parities 10, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 2. So this is the frequency. This is the ungrouped telemars is given. This is the 3, 7, 10. So this is the ungrouped, which comes under the discrete frequency distribution. So this is the basic concept we need to understand. Now continuous frequency distributions. Suppose in a hospitals there are 100 employees, they are working, and per day wages or weekly wages, or we can say per day's wages is given. So there are 4 employees which get the 50 to 100 rupees, and 12 employees getting 100 to 150 rupees, 22 employees getting 150 to 200 rupees per day, and 33 employees getting 200 to 2050 uh, per day. We can say here weekly return, but we can say per day. And 16 implies getting 250 to 300 rupees per day, 8 implies getting 300 to 350, and 5 implies getting 350 to 400 rupees per day. So here 50 to 100. So this is the group, and in continuous it is given. So this is known as the continuous frequency distributions we need to understand. This is the basic concept about frequency distributions. Thank you.